Which of the following is a noun? Table is a noun because it names a person, place, thing, or idea. Quickly is an adverb, jump is a verb, and beautiful is an adjective. Which part of speech describes an action? A verb describes an action or state of being. Adverb modifies verbs or adjectives. Noun is a person, place, thing. Pronoun replaces nouns. What part of speech is the word happily? Happily describes how something is done, so it is an adverb. Adjectives describe nouns, prepositions show relationships, conjunctions connect words. Which of the following is a pronoun? They is a pronoun replacing a noun. House is a noun. Runs is a verb. Beautiful is an adjective. What part of speech modifies a noun? Adjectives modify or describe nouns. Adverbs modify verbs. Adjectives, adverbs, conjunctions connect, interjections express emotions. Which of these words is a conjunction? Because connects clauses and expresses reason, so it is a conjunction. Slowly is an adverb. Chair is a noun. Eat is a verb. Which of the following is an interjection? Wow expresses strong emotion or surprise, classifying it as an interjection. Others are nouns or verbs, adjectives. The word under is a. Under shows location or position relative to another object, thus a preposition. Nouns name objects, adjectives describe nouns, verbs show actions. Identify the verb in the sentence. She sings beautifully. Sings shows the action in the sentence, making it a verb. She is a pronoun. Beautifully is an adverb modifying. Sings the is an article. Which of the following words is an example of an adverb? Quickly modifies a verb and answers how, making it an adverb. Dog is a noun. High can be adjective, adverb. Walk is a verb or noun.